This is Carl with the three things I'm watching for Wednesday, March the 5th. Starting out, since it's Wednesday, we will get the weekly ethanol production and demand numbers this week. Looking for production to fall about 2% from last week. The last week we expected production to fall 2% also, and it really didn't. The thing is, we're starting to get to the point where some plants have announced they're going to start taking some spring maintenance a little bit early, but they're going to start taking that now. Avoid the margin pressure they're seeing, and maybe when they come back online, we'll see more profitability. The thing to watch in the ethanol, obviously, the exports. Exports took a pretty sizable dip last week from the week before, and they're down pretty hard from 2 weeks ago. A lot of the tariff talk we have is affecting that, although Canada did say that if they put tariffs on or the retaliatory tariffs, would have a lower rate for energy products. So we're not sure how this all shakes out. But bottom line, looking for a little bit smaller ethanol production number this week, and looking for stocks to dip. Stocks approaching record high levels, so we're going to need to see some demand there, or we're going to see some major economic issues in that ethanol industry. Cash markets a little bit stronger. We're seeing a little bit more basis strength. Two reasons. Number one, this break in futures has pretty much halted all selling across the Corn Belt. The other thing is the winter weather we have. Blizzard conditions in Iowa, Minnesota, South Dakota, through that region out there up in Wisconsin, and the fallout from it slowing country movement more than it already has. We did see a big bump in movement, and sales have really dropped off when the market broke. Not too surprising. The thing is, farmers don't have a lot of inventory left to market. That cash market holding in there a little bit stronger than usual. Not just in the United States. Global cash markets are stronger. Not seeing a lot of selling interest out in South America either. Third thing I'm watching today, and what fun would it be if we didn't talk about tariffs, right? Tariffs yesterday hit the market hard early on. Later in the day, it was announced that maybe the tariffs would be pulled back or changed, or however you want to say it. The thing is, we just don't know on these tariffs. We have a tremendous amount of uncertainty, causing concern in the market, not just the ag market, but the equities. For example, the S&P index has seen $178 billion leave it this year. Not this year, in the past 6 weeks. We've seen that take place. It just, it doesn't look like the next 6 weeks are going to be that great. A lot of investors going to gold right now. And it really isn't necessarily the tariffs themselves, it's the uncertainty surrounding them. This market's getting pretty tired of it. And so we're just seeing traders pull back and go to the sidelines. Now, overnight we did see a little bit of spec buying. I wouldn't be too surprised if we didn't see a little more of that today. But the uncertainty in this back and forth is starting to take its toll on the market. A bit of a heads up, we're going to be traveling the rest of today and tomorrow. I will not have a three things to watch tomorrow morning. That would be Thursday. I will be back Friday as normal. Until then, thank you for your time.